What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, come on and join the fun. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, I am back with another DIY. Hey. You know, I always gotta create me a song. But yes, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY project using all items from Dollar Tree, of course, down to the hot glue gun. You know me. But if you didn't know, now you know. Let's get into this Dollar Tree DIY Christmas candy decor piece. So if you did watch my last video, my last DIY video, I made a Christmas candy, but I chose a different color this time, and I'm going to put a little twist to it. So the last project, I thought about putting some bows on there. Then I'm like, no, let me just make the regular decor piece. Someone had commented under that video saying that I should have added bows. So this one I'm adding bows, and I'm going to tell you guys what you need. But first, what I need you to do is give this video a fat thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, say hey T, and also hit that subscribe button. If you're enjoying the content, go ahead and click that bell so you're notified each and every time I do post some more content. But let's get into it. So you're going to need 4 bowls. So 2 of these bowls here, if I can get them apart. And this is such a pretty blue. So 2 of those bowls, 2 of these bowls, and you're also going to need your hot glue gun, which I have here from Dollar Tree. You're going to need hot glue sticks. I chose these pretty glittery hot glue sticks this time around. Super cute. You're going to need LED lights of your choice. Last time I chose little lights with the candy canes on there. This time I just chose like the rope lights with the glitter going around. Get you some double-A batteries. If you have a little screwdriver at home, you're possibly going to need a little screwdriver. I needed a screwdriver for the last box of lights that I purchased. So we'll see if I need them for this box as well. So if you do have a little screwdriver, get it. Last time I used scissors, which worked fine as well. And I grabbed some bows to get 2 for $1.25 from $1.25 Tree. We're going to start by taking the stickers off of all the bowls. Oh gosh. Also, I have my hot glue gun already heating up. So that's the first thing you actually want to do is make sure you have your hot glue gun ready, because this project is very, very quick. It's easy, it's affordable, it's super cute. It adds a nice touch to your home, the inside and outside of your home. So of course, depending on if you want to put this outside, you need to make sure you get lights that are used for outdoors as well. But like I mentioned in my last DIY video, if I do decide to put this outside, I'll just put a little baggie over the little battery part there so it doesn't get wet or anything. If you have not yet checked out my DIY playlist, go ahead and check out my DIY playlist. I have tons of videos on there that I'm positive you'll love. I have a lot of projects that I did for Christmas on there for the holiday season. So check out some of those projects, because the gumball machine was probably my most favorite. It was so cute, easy, Dollar Tree. All my DIY projects are Dollar Tree DIY projects. I think that I'm going to start by using, I'm just going to use the silver hot glue sticks. I already have one that's in here, like a clear. So I'm going to finish that up, but I know I'm going to need more than that. So let me get my hot glue sticks ready. And of course I'm choosing silver because it matched the bows, super cute. And I know the silver is going to look so cute with this blue, because just look at it. Fire. All right, sweetie. So the first step is we're going to glue the rim of one bowl, and then we're going to add the second bowl on the very top of that. I don't know why I love hot glue sticks. Like when it's like nice and hot and it kind of sticks to your fingers and it's a little hot, but it's not too hot. I'm weird like that. And I also like the smell of hot glue. Comment down below your, like, the weird things that you like to smell. Like, I know a lot of people like the smell of gas, like I do. A lot of people like the smell of, like, I love the smell of when laundry is, like, when the washer is going and you can smell like the laundry detergent and like the dryer sheets. And I'm weird. But for some reason, my hot glue gun, like the trigger part, is very flimsy. But you get what you pay for, huh? So I'm just gonna use my other hot glue stick to push the hot glue down. Uh-oh, got on my shirt, but it's okay.
Okay.
You know what that means? I think that means that one of my kids got to it. My daughter loves projects too. And honestly, y'all, I have these bowls sitting here for over a week. The first couple days, I just wasn't able to get to the project. And you got to move fast with this because this hot glue dries really fast. The first week, I just was not able to get to the project. I was really busy. And then, or the first few days, I'm sorry. And then towards the end, I couldn't find my hot glue gun. And I said, you know what, I'm just go ahead out and buy me another one. And I should have just went and did that because it's not working. Speaking of which, my daughter is, Amara, hey, do you know what happened to my hot glue gun? Why it's not working?
No.
Okay, back up eating like that on my video. That's, no, that ain't it. Second bowl on top, push that down. And you can kind of see the glue a little bit, but that's okay because another thing that I'm doing differently with this candy from the first one that I did, I put my lights inside the bowls. This time I'm going to kind of wrap around the outside of the candy. So now what we're going to do is place this bowl on top of here. And there you go. And we're going to do the same exact step for this other side. Glue around the bottom of the smaller bowl and place it right on top on the larger bowl. All right. Place it on top. Pull down. There it is. See how fast that dried? All right, now that we have that part done, here's the candy. Super cute, pretty blue. And it's time for our lights. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of hot glue. So I just placed it right here in the middle. So I'm gonna glue about there. Just a little dot, a little tiny, tiny dot, just so it sticks on there. And actually, I'm gonna put the glue on the bowl and then I'll put the lights on. You can honestly wait until the glue kind of cools down and then hurry and stick it on there, if that makes you feel more comfortable. And as you can see, I'm now at the end of gluing my strip of lights on. So again, it fits perfectly here. So I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to glue the rest of that on there. All right, and there's our lights for our candy. So now what I'm going to do is unscrew, so you do need your little screwdriver. I'm going to unscrew that little screw in there so I can insert my lights. And I'm actually going to get me one more hot glue stick out because we're going to put our bows on. This is Amara's gumball machine she made for her 100th day of school. We got to wipe it off. Her Dollartree DIY. And she put 100 pearly gumballs. We're going to take our bows. Now the bows are not going to tie around. It's not going to look right. So what I'm going to do is choose the front of my candy. So obviously the back is where the battery pack is at. And so I'm going to sit my candy down like this. And I think I'm going to have to glue that for sure. So let me just do that now. Okay, so what you want to do now is rip off one of the bows. And as you can see, this is how it looks. So I want them all to stay together. So I'm going to just go ahead and tie it in a knot so they can all stick. So there's my knot. And then I'm going to use my knot to hot glue onto my candy. Stick it right in the crease between the smaller bowl and the larger bowl. Hold for a couple seconds. And from there, you can kind of just spread them out how you like. You can use some scissors if you like to chop them if you need to. This is your project. You do what you please. And we're going to repeat the same exact steps for the other side. Create that knot, glue your knot, and stick it on. And we're going to light this baby up. Come on, babe. And we're going to see what it's hitting for. All right, so I have my other bow glued on. And I'm just going to kind of move these around a little bit, just so they're not all bunched up. You don't want them to go too crazy. Well, I don't want them to go too crazy. All right, so here is my other candy, my second candy, my blue candy. And let's turn the light on. Boom. Look how pretty that is. And of course, the next one I do, either red or green, I'm going to add some more stuff to it. But thank you, sweetie, so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out my DIY playlist and watch all my DIY projects. I have some pretty dope Dollar Tree DIY projects on there, especially for the holiday season. But don't forget to give this video a fat thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me how you like this project. Tell me if you plan to try this project. Also, hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the content. Click the bell so you're notified each and every time I do post a video. And don't forget to share this video with your family, your friends, people you don't know. Share it all over social media platforms. Share it everywhere. Tell your coworkers about it. Super cute, easy, affordable. And I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.